टुडे आवर टॉपिक इज ए लैमेंट पोएम बाय पीबी शेली। पीबी शेली की जो एक लैमेंट पोएम है बहुत ही अच्छी कविता है। इसमें पीबी शेली बात करते हैं जब वो अपने जीवन के अंतिम स्टेज पर पहुंच चुके थे। When पीबी शेली reached the last stage of his life, what was the condition of the poet? He says, "O world, O life, O time, on whose last step I climb, trembling at that where I had stood before. When will return the glory of your prime? No more, O never more." Means the poet is here talking about the last stage of his life when he reached at that time his condition is very bad. His whole body is shaking. He says that out of the day and night a joy has taken flight. Means all the joys, all the happiness of the poets are gone. And